Have you ever profited during a news event like FOMC, NFP, or any other news? When was the last time you gained 873 plus pips with only 3 signals during the news event? When was the last time your signal provider even gave you any kind of analysis, any kind of signals during the news event? Were those signals profitable? Ask yourself. If you cannot answer all these questions, this video is only for you. Because in this video, we are going to describe and analyze how you could have gained 873 plus pips with only 3 trades during the FOMC news release. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. The first trade that we took was the gold. This trade was very simple because this trade was a combination of smart money concepts and at the same time retail concepts. So the first thing that we did was we simply drew a Fibonacci from this high to this low, and we saw something very interesting because this imbalance level perfectly aligned with the 78.6 discount level of our Fibonacci. So after filling up all the imbalances, the price started to have a drop. Now this may look simple in the higher time frame, but if we just jump into the 5-minute time frame, you can clearly see that how messy it is, because at the same time the price during the news event, during the news release, took out all the buy side and sell side liquidity and then manipulated the market for the next 15 to 20 minutes. So after grabbing the buy side and sell side liquidity, the price printed this candle. This candle attracted a lot of buyers in the market, but the price had something else in mind. Now if you just pay a closer look, you can clearly see that the price eventually dropped. And we took our entry around here after we started seeing the rejection and the price, when the price tapped this order block area. So we kept our SL above these wicks because we knew that if price starts to go up, we'll go long, because in this market you'll have to be fluid with your bias. We kept this position running and we closed most of our positions around here. This trade is currently running around 474 plus pips. We have also included the screenshot of our VIP channel so that you can easily authenticate our claims. Now let's just jump to the second trade, which was USD CAD. We took 2 positions of USD CAD. The first one is running around 176 plus pips. The second one is running around 223 plus pips. So in both cases, our analysis was simple. Now, if you just pay a closer look around here, you can clearly see that just before the news release, the price attracted a lot of sellers in the market because this bullish engulfing candle was a news move. This got produced during the news. So with this bearish engulfing candle, there were a lot of banks and financial institutions who went short, who opened a sell order, massive sell orders. That's why we had a significantly bearish engulfing candle. But the next candle, the right next candle was significantly bullish. So this gave us the confidence that this was a huge manipulation area and all the banks and financial institutions have got their positions open in this region. So we had to be cautious, we had to look for the price to reach this level. So the next thing that we did was, after getting the break of structure, we simply drew a Fibonacci from this low to this high. And we saw that this order block area perfectly aligned with the 78.6 discount level, just like gold. So after seeing this discount level, after seeing the rejection, we simply went long. We kept our SL below this wick because we knew that if the price starts to drop, because at the same time we have also got some liquidity grab over here. So if the price starts to drop, then we're gonna go short. We are always fluid with our bias. So this trade is currently running around 176 plus pips. At the same time, this USD CAD trade is running around 223 plus pips. So these are all the 3 trades that we took during the FOMC news release. All the 3 trades are running in deep profit. Ask yourself, when was the last time you saw something like this? When was the last time your signal provider even gave you this sort of analysis? Which signal provider in this industry is willing to give you all these things for free? Yeah, you heard that right. We're offering all these things absolutely free of cost. All you have to do is simply join MegaFX VIP through our partner broker, and we'll give access to MegaFX VIP to all these trades absolutely free. Just simply check in the link in the description down below. Just join our Telegram channel. All the process is mentioned down there. That's all for today. If you have any kind of queries, any kind of confusions, any kind of suggestions, if you want more analysis, more detailed breakdowns like this, you can always contact us in any kind of social platform. We're available everywhere. That's all for today. Thank you.